Hi, I'm Chef Penn, and I'm the Baking and Pastry Arts Instructor at Upper Bucks County Technical School. Well, to be successful in baking and pastry arts, I can have you speak to Bob, but Bob wants to let you know that you should be prepared every day. He's in full uniform. He has his pocket notebook. He has his Sharpies. He has a pocket scraper. He has a great attitude, and he has his homework. You also need to be accountable and responsible, just like Bob, because leaders show up. You should be committed and determined when you're working. In baking and pastry, we practice a lot. You should have patience, because this is a learning environment, and we always learn from our mistakes. Fail forward. You should have a passion for baking, or at least a passion for learning, because we want you to ask questions and we love you to be engaged. First year baking and pastry arts students can expect to learn things about safety and sanitation by earning their Serve Safe Food Handler certificate, about proper knife identification and how to handle them safely. Students also learn about basic baking ingredients, their names, how they work inside of a recipe, and how the heat affects them in the oven and different environments. Students in first year also learn about scaling, which is so important in recipes, in measuring the difference between fluid ounces, and which tools to use for the right job. Basic first year students learn food-wise baking and pastry pies, basic cookies, breads, and doughs. As students move on in their second and third year, they too learn pies, cookies, breads, doughs, and cakes, but they learn at an intermediate level more advanced items such as quiche or custard pies, tarts, and piped cookies, bagels, pretzels, pizza, you name it. Also, our intermediate students move from basic, smaller hand equipment into the larger equipment, such as the 20-quart and the 40 and 60-quart mixer, and our ovens. Our fourth year students also learn pies, cakes, cookies, doughs, and advanced breads, but they do a higher level of all of those things. They also have an opportunity to work in our retail outlet and do product merchandising, product costing, and they understand the ins and outs of running a small bakery. Some students really enjoy cake decorating,